Hi friends, today I'm so excited to show you this new product. This is a Snailax massage seat cushion with heat. Let's go open it and let me show you how it's seen and how it works. That is the most important part. This is her charger. This came with this use and care manual, and our massage seat look like this. It's color gray. Okay, this is the control of the seat, and you can choose if you want to hit your back or the seat part. You can change the mode, have 5 modes, and you can choose where you want to feel this mood, that is in the neck, upper back, lower back, or the seat, and the intensity of the massage, that is high, middle, and low. The modes are pulsate, tapping, rolling, automatic, and knitting. So this is the seat. Came with this part so you can adjust it to your seat. And this part looks so comfortable, feels so soft. The material is great. I'm gonna use this elastic part to put it in my seat. As you can see, you can use it in any chair. This is my office chair and I'm gonna use it here. But you can put it in the seat of your couch, in your game chair, or any chair that have the perfect size to this seat. As you can see, this adjusts a perfect size. So I'm gonna put it now with the charger. So the length of the cable is perfect to move it around your space. So I'm gonna have my seat connected now. I'm gonna turn it on with this button, power. Oh. Feels so comfortable. In this moment, I'm using the pulsate mode. I'm gonna use the back heat so I can start feeling more warm in my back. I'm gonna use other mode. I'm gonna use tapping, and I can feel the vibration up and down around my body. Rolling, this is delicious. Automatic. And knitting. You can use it only in the neck, only in the upper back, lower back, and seat. And the intensity, this is high intensity, feels so good. And I can use it and it's still working. So I highly recommend this product. See you.